is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And we are back in the shop. I'm gonna try to finish this car once and for all. Oh, Mr. Hanky is down. Poor Mr. Hanky. Oh, God. But anyway, let's get in here, see what we got going on. There is Alec doing work on the brakes. Dover, way down in there. Dover is putting in the Maximum Motorsports steering shaft, and also have the missing AC coupler, and of course my pretty Maximum Motorsports suspension. But anyway, let's go over here, and we actually have the fan. Dover, we have a fan. We're excited about the fan, right?
Excited about it.
But, yep. MPD came through in the clutch, got me the fan. I wasn't sure if they were going to get here on time, but there it is. We had one, and Dover wasn't happy with it. I was like, all right, well, we'll get another one. So we got another one, and it's actually going to look a little better and have a little more room in there. But, yeah. This is where we're at right now. All the little stuff. All the little stuff. I love it. Alright guys, so here is the fan in question. Like I said, it's a lot smaller. It's going to do the job. And of course, got one of these too while we were at it. All in stock. Thanks again, NPD. You guys rock. But here's the install kit. All these special little aluminum brackets. And this is going to allow us to mount the fan up really clean and keep the old turd cool. So I think this is going to work out really nice.
Scoot it over a little bit, maybe.
A bit closer to this side. Well, yeah, we got AC lines on this side.
Always something. We could probably tweak that AC line a little bit there.
Yeah. Color good.
Maybe, huh?
What is it? Alright, so we're getting the fan. Oh, look out. Getting the fan put up here. Got all these fabulous little brackets and aluminum parts. The cool thing about the fan too, you can make it a pusher or a puller, so whatever you want to do. Obviously we're going to make it a puller, and then just hook up these wires from the control pack, and they will actually, the PCM will tell the fans when to kick on, when it's, you know, they get the temperature from the sender, and I cannot think today. I apologize. But anyway, yeah, PCM kicks the fan on, so you don't have to have all these little controllers and probes and all this other BS. It's actually pretty sweet. This fabulous PCM does the job. Yes, Ken.
What are you doing?
I'm filming, Ken.
You're filming?
Yes, I'll be back with you in a minute. You just
You
stand.
look like you got a YouTube channel.
You just stand tall. I'll be there in a minute.
You gonna come see me?
In a minute. Hold on. No. All right, guys. So Alex has been back here bolting up some brakes, and Dover is cutting brake lines. In case you were wondering, guys, these are the stock Foxbody brake lines. Dover, where do you cut these things at to make them work?
Wherever right these go.
It's right about here.
Whatever works.
Yeah. Well, depend on exactly right. Whatever lines you're using, whatever
market.
Calipers.
Yeah, kind of put it in place and mark it.
So you got the old brackets. These are all off that 95. We're just gonna cut that line down, flare it, fitting, done. And this other side, over here you'll be able to see, this other side's all put together already. And there's the line, the new fitting and everything in the 95 Mustang brackets. Not bad at all. Alright guys, so here's the deal. We are headed to O'Reilly. We have to get a drill bit to make some room in the spindles for the Maximum Motorsports bump steer kit. And so we're going to ride up there and get a drill bit.
Wise.
We're going to try. I don't know if it's going to be this upload or not. I'll know at the end of the upload. Of course, you will too, whether or not we actually set it on the ground and roll. But it's not for lack of trying, right, Ken?
That's 100% correct.
We're trying. So here we go. Let's go get a tool. So lots going on. Drilling and more drilling. Got the exhaust up. Here the full 3-inch. Nice and tight. Looking good. Pump steers on. Rich actually had to drill these out. They got a little bit of a taper in them. Once that happens, put this back in here. And they're pretty hard. Actually very hard. Okay guys, so I know everybody really wanted to see the car on the ground and mobile today, as did I, but again, we're running into more snags. We had to go get another drill bit because that one destroyed it, and so we don't have the bump steer kit on. It'll be all right. Maximum Motorsports steering shaft is in. We've got back here, of course, the brakes. All the back brakes are good. Just got to put the rotors on and call those good. And we're also, we had to go back and get hangers and then some 3-inch pipe to do the turn downs for the 3-inch exhaust. And then we got to make the hanger to hang those up, and we'll be good to go. We can put the wheels back on as soon as we get those other parts. It's just, you know, one of those deals where, we had to take apart and go get more parts for the aluminum drive shaft so we can put the drive shaft in. But it's just one of those things where it's, you know, as much as I want to show you a video where we drop the car down and we drive out and we go do smoky burnouts, I mean, there's still a ton of stuff to do. Still got the fan. We haven't gotten the fan put on. There's the rest of the bump steer kit, but there you go. If you want reality car building, here it is. I want to be out driving it. Everybody wants to be out, you know, driving it, seeing what it does, how fast it is, and all that stuff. But unfortunately, we're not done yet. So go watch TV. They have much better builds. They do a $50,000 build, and you get to see the whole thing done in like an hour. Doesn't happen here anyway. But I gotta stop ranting. No more ranting, right, Chris?
That's right.
No more ranting.
That's right.
No more ranting. It will be on the ground, it will be driving, and you will see it very shortly. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and yes, it will be done, and soon. Later, guys.